Hello fellow 3D enthusiast, my name is Ian, and today I wanted to share with you something that made my crazy shot quite a bit more realistic. And if we just take a look here, I can show you the animation that's going on. Basically we've got this crazy fly through of a camera going through a car, and it ends up in the engine, and that blows up, and it doesn't play back super nicely in real time here, but this is the basic shot. And this is how it works. Something that made it super realistic was an add-on that Ian Hubert is working on. Right now it's called Camera Shakeify. You can find a tab down in your camera settings. And it's super cool because before I was using this add-on, the shot mostly just looked like a very computer-generated fly-through. And now with this add-on, you can select the type of camera shake that you want to add. And these are all tracked camera shakes, so they come from actual cameras, and we've got lots of different options in here. We can kind of add them to each other and layer it up, and with this one I've actually animated the influence of it. So at some parts at the start here there's no influence, and then it pretty quickly ramps up to something crazy, and as it goes through real quick it's shaken really nice and realistically. And once it gets in here, I toned down the shake a little bit to 0.28, and then you can just see all the craziness going on in here, and then it ramps up to 0.43 closer to the end. But yeah, you can also change the speed and the timing and all sorts of fun stuff like that. As far as I know, the only way you can get this add-on as of right now is on Ian Hubert's Patreon, and he's not paying me to say this or anything. I just think what he's doing over there is really cool, and this add-on can save you a bunch of time. You don't have to be working with procedural camera shake that's not realistic, and it'll add a huge amount of realism to your crazy shots. Okay, if you're interested in learning more about visual effects, I've created a completely free video for you, and in this video I just go over 5 different techniques that will help you to integrate your CG creations into actual footage. And if that sounds interesting to you, there's a link in the description, so definitely go ahead and check that out. But I'd say we're done here, so I hope you have an excellent day, and cheers!